Hey, again, Mike, always talking about this or that. So, fast food, health food. Let's talk about what that means. So, the American dream, right? Become a business owner, which, believe it or not, used to be kind of the standard until about maybe, I don't know, 50, just to throw a number out there, years ago when we kind of just went into these big chains. Everyone actually was like an entrepreneur and had their own businesses. And then we switched up, and now it's very popular to want to become a franchise owner. You know, these big corporations said, okay, we're going to make it simple to be a business owner. We have the winning formula. All you have to do is copy and paste in your location. So great. Now we have these options. I can be a franchisee of a fast food restaurant. I won't name any just because I'm sure we could all think of a million, which is a fantastic option. Another option is the Purium method of, hey, we have a winning formula. All you have to do is copy and paste, and you can be a business owner of a health foods distribution system. Cool. What does that look like? Startup fee for a fast food. You know, we got to find a good location where we're going to get a lot of business, good location with good parking, good traffic. Then we have to build the building. Then we have to pay very expensive franchise fees to start up. And okay, cool. Looking pretty time sensitive, pretty money intensive. Health food startup. Okay, well, the business is all online. All you have to do is direct traffic there. Startup fee is either a $199 fee or just a large bundle of products, and you can join the business complimentary. Cool. I got a winner right there. Then the daily method of operation. Okay, or the clientele. Clientele we got coming in, people, they're hungry, they want food now. They don't care what it's like as long as it tastes good and it's cheap. Cool. Kind of tough to make lifetime clients and lifetime relationship with those clients. They're kind of just faceless names as far as what I see, being coming from the restaurant and the hotel industry. Or we have the health product distribution system with Purium. I look for people that care about their health and that want to use these products to change their lives and make a meaningful impact in their lives and the lives of those around them. Awesome. Daily method of operation. We are kind of putting out fires. With the fast food, we're serving up people food, kicking them out the door, trying to get as much turnover as possible, as many heads fed in a day as possible. Cool. Health foods, we are looking for more clientele. We are making sure everyone is satisfied, getting them the information they need on why this food would be the most powerful for your situation, how this food could be beneficial for you. And another method of operation, which I'll touch on in a second. Maintenance fees. So we have to ensure that the quality control is there on our distribution system for fast food. Make sure the grill is cleaned properly, sanitation is all there. Make sure the building is maintained, the lighting, the HVAC systems, the heating, venting, air, the parking lot. We have to continue to pay franchise fees. We have to make sure our employees are happy and well paid and satisfied and all that good stuff. Maintenance fees for Purium would look like, how bad the boat's moving. Maintenance fees, they would look like a monthly expense of about $75, and that keeps you enrolled as a business owner. Yo, what up, Duffy? Pretty low cost. You can use that product for yourself, for guests, for marketing materials, really anything you can get, just stock it up as well. And then what is it that we're actually offering when I own a fast food industry? I'm offering food at low quality, low cost, and I'm offering a business in which I can have employees. I can give them jobs, which is awesome, but I kind of have to pay them at a reasonable rate where I can still make money and still make a profit. So I'm paying them kind of as low as possible, which is why you'll see a lot of minimum wages come into play. Cool. I'm offering them a career possibility. They could become managers, and that's kind of it. With the health foods distribution system with Purium, what are we offering? Well, I'm offering the highest quality nutrition products at a reasonable price. It is a premium price, but at the end of the day, when you factor out, you're buying in bulk. So yeah, I'm paying $75 up front for 30 servings. So basically $3, we'll call it. Not even. I mean, with shipping and tax, maybe $3 a serving of organic vegetables or whatever else that it is that you're buying. The other thing that I'm offering is an opportunity to start their own distribution system. So these people, when I hire them, I'm not hiring salespeople or employees. I'm saying, hey, do you want to do what I do? I'll show you how I do it, and then you have all the same opportunities as I will. There's no cap on your income. There's no limit to what you can do. You could go from an employee, a product salesman, to a manager, to a millionaire. Beautiful. So my vision is clear, what I want to offer people in terms of products, what I want to offer people in terms of compensation and employment. Fast food, I don't want to offer those products. I don't want to have employees. I don't want to have a physical location that is, basically a restaurant, a physical restaurant location. And I don't want to have to pay franchise fees to a company that I don't even necessarily believe in. Where with Purium, I prefer to go with Purium every single day of the week because I love the quality of food that they put out. I love their mission to end human suffering. I love the opportunity I can give people in terms of business, personal development, and the opportunity to make any kind of money that they want. And that's why 100% out of 100% of the time, I'm going to be a Purium Health Products Distribution Center representative for the rest of my life. Take it easy, folks. I love you all.